a quick EVIX Cash news alert of a blaze that has been reported in a hotel that has now been turned into a COVID care facility in Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. Now, the blaze we are getting to know has killed nearly 7 people who were in the center, 33 people who have been rescued from the facility, while 2 people, we are being told, are in a critical condition. Now, last month, nearly 50 asymptomatic patients who were admitted to this hotel that has been now converted into a COVID care center. The fire, we're getting to know, has been doused by the fire brigade teams, but those pictures that can be seen on your screens of how massive this blaze was, and the updates coming in where 7 people have lost their lives and nearly over 30 of them have been rescued. Those updates being shared by the Vijayawada police. We have Krishnamurthy with us to giving us more details on this blaze. When was it reported and what is the cause? Has it been ascertained yet in Vijayawada? Krishnamurthy.
Well, that's right. Now, tragedy has struck Andhra Pradesh, where 7 people have died at a COVID care center or CTC, which has been inaugurated by the British government. Now, about 50 patients, in fact, were previously actually present at a COVID care center on Eluru Road in Vijayawada, and now about a short circuit has been confirmed as a reason for the accident. The fire, in fact, started at 5 a.m. and the fire, in fact, has been doused as of now. It took a couple of hours for firefighters to douse the fire. Now, initial fact-finding by the government fire-tending officials said that the fire started in a reception area from a computer because of a short circuit, and that's how it spread. Now, most of the patients, in fact, were unaware of this incident because they were sleeping at 5 a.m. And, in fact, 4 of them, in fact, jumped from the second floor of the building, first and second floor of the building, of which 2 of them survived and are being treated. They're critical, and 2 of them lost their lives. Quite critical. Now, the place, in fact, was a hotel. There were no fire safety norms, and it was wooden flooring, which, in fact, it has led to the fire spreading across the thing. Fire tenders were rushed immediately to the spot. The commissioner of Vijayawada is at the spot right now, and rescue operations are going on. Patients have been shifted to another private hospital, but now questions will be raised as to how is it that a COVID care center was made operational, and what action will the government take right now against this particular business. Now, the COVID care center, again, was not being operated by the government. It was after an appeal which was made by the Andhra Pradesh government that most of the centers, in fact, including this, which was Swarna Palace Hotel, was converted into a COVID care center run by private management.
So this is a blaze, and we can see through the pictures how massive the blaze has been. Completely covering the ground floor and the first floor of the building. This is a hotel in Vijayawada that was converted into a COVID care facility. And early this morning, when the fire broke out, nearly 40 people who were inside this COVID care facility, that included 10 staff members and 30 COVID-19 patients. We're getting to know that 7 people, unfortunately, have lost their lives. The fire has now been brought under control.